Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Barry with another literacy lesson for our Pre-K4 friends. I want to share with you a poem this morning about thunderstorms. And so listen very carefully while I read it. And listen to the sounds. Some of the words sound like what I'm saying. Boom, bang, rumpity, lumpity, bump. Zoom, zam, clippity, clippity, clump. Rustles and bustles and swishes and zings, what wonderful sounds a thunderstorm brings. Have you ever listened to a thunderstorm, hopefully safe inside in your house, and hear the thunder outside, maybe see the flashes of lightning? And there's a lot of sounds when the rain's coming down that we don't hear really any other times. I want you to think just a minute about some words that describe rain. That's what I've written up on the board right here. Words that describe rain. I bet you're thinking, like, oh, Mr. Barry put this word. So I'm having to kind of guess what you're thinking right now. One of the first two words that come to mind is pitter-patter. When rain falls, it'll make the kind of little sounds of little pitter-patter, pitter-patter. So I'm going to write that up on the board right here. Pitter. Pitter, patter. Pitter, patter. Some other words let's think about. When the rain falls, it kind of makes a splash. Do some of you think of that word? I'm going to write that one down. Splash. Can you think of some others? One of the ones I think about is, all the little individual drops of rain, so we call those a raindrop. A raindrop. Raindrop. And if you will look at this word right here, this is a compound word. This is one of the words that kind of two different words together, put together, make the word. Look at this right here. We have rain, and then we have drop. I've got a hand here dropping a ball. Rain, drop. What do we have? Raindrop. I put the arrows here just for like one little drop of rain would be a raindrop. And then everyone all it together, well, we would just call it rain. So, rain and drop. If we took the rain away, what would we have? Drop. If we took the drop away, what would we have? Rain. So if we put them both together, rain and drop, raindrop. Now, we'll come back to what we're doing one more in just a minute. But thinking more about sounds of rain, sometimes with the thunder, it kind of does make a boom sound. And so I'm going to write that word boom. Let's see. That's one of those onomatopoeia words. Sounds like boom. That's kind of a fun. B-O-O-M. Boom. And that's one of the words we think. And then sometimes when the lightning flashes, a flash. So I'm going to put that one up here. Flash. Now, after a thunderstorm, a lot of times we will. God told us that in the Bible, in the story of Noah, remember? When all the flood went away, what did God send to show that he would never flood the earth again? Do you remember? Up in the sky? A rainbow. A rainbow. I'm going to write rainbow right here. Rainbow. Now, rainbow is also a compound word. Let's look at this card. Again, we have the rain right over here, and then we have a bow. Rain and bow, we put those together, and we have rainbow. And then if we go back and take one of them out, we take the bow away, well, we just have rain. Take the rain away, what do we have? We just have bow. Put them both together, and we have a beautiful rainbow. Now, all these are really wonderful words that kind of help describe rain and the things that we see that kind of go with a thunderstorm. So boys and girls, if you think of any more of those words, because these are just a few. If you think of any more, share those with Mom and Dad. And maybe you can even make a list of your own of things that would help describe rain. Boys and girls, thank you for listening today, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.